So before start the actual project explanation, I request you please subscribe my channel. So you can see on the screen up till now I have uploaded more than 66 video on Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi with IoT, that is all this video. Then also IoT with Arduino, all this video are 26. And recently we started the new series on the PIC microcontroller. Before that I also cover the project on the Python web application. So if you want to learn Python, IoT, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, PIC from the scratch and from freely, then please subscribe my channel, please support me. And the most important part is whatever the code I have explained, whatever the project I have created on this YouTube channel, all these projects are freely available. You no need to pay anything for this project. So just if only point is you should watch complete video and you should follow my process. So if you want to learn something from the scratch and freely, then support me and please subscribe my channel and please click on like button. Hello friend, in today's session we will learn how we can design and develop a Bluetooth based robotic car by using Arduino, and also we will see how to design this mobile application. By using this mobile application we can control our car by using this Bluetooth. Okay, so before start the next part, I would like to tell you what I will cover in this video. So I will cover how you can connect all this hardware with this Arduino, how to connect different motors. You can see there are 4 motors, how to connect that motors to the Arduino. There is a motor driver IC L2938, how to use that IC, how to use your mobile power bank to give the power to the Arduino. Also I will explain how you can design this mobile application. So this is completely free of cost project, no need to pay any single rupees for this project. Only point is you should watch my complete video and follow my steps, and definitely you will design and develop this project by yourself. Okay, so before start the next part, I would like to tell you, first I will show you the practical demonstration of this project, then I will explain you how to connect all this hardware with Arduino, then I will explain the programming part of this project, and then I will explain how to upload the code into Arduino. So please watch the complete video so that you can design and develop this project by yourself. The program of this project completely free of cost, you can download from my website, the website link given in the description. Okay, let's see the practical demonstration of this project. Now let's see the practical demonstration of this project. So you can see my mobile application gets connected with my robot Bluetooth. So whenever I press any button from this mobile application, the robot will move respective direction. You can see the mobile application screen on the left hand side. Okay, so now whenever I press any button, the robot will move to that direction. Also I would like to tell you, whenever I press the right button, the robot will move to the right direction, and it is continuously rotating in clockwise direction. Okay, so it will continue rotate in clockwise direction. Whenever I press the left button, then robot will move and continuously rotate in the anti-clockwise direction. To stop that one, we can use the stop button. Whenever I want to stop the motor in forward, reverse, left, right direction, I can use the stop button. Okay, so I am pressing the forward button. So you can see forward, then backward, then right, then left, then again backward, then again left, then again forward, then backward, then stop. Okay, then again left hand side, then stop, then again backward, then stop, then forward, then backward, then left, then right. It's continuously rotated in clockwise direction, you can see, with the right button. Now if I want to stop, then stop button. If I want to move to the left side and left button. Continuously rotating in anti-clockwise direction, then again right, then clockwise direction, then again forward, then again backward, then again right, then again left, then again right, then backward, then right, then left, and then stop. So I hope you understand the practical demonstration of this project. Now we will see the hardware connection, then we will see the programming part of this project. Now let's see the hardware connection. So first we start with the motor chassis. So in motor chassis, very important part is you should have the 4 motor like this. You can use any chassis and any motor, but you should have the 4 motor. So like this I have the 4 motor. So basically when you have the motor, each motor having two pins. You can see one pin is here and second pin is here. Same for the other motor having two pins, one pin here, second pin is here. So every motor you can see there are two pins. So you have to solder the two pins, and you can take the wire this like this, and there should be the two wires from the each motor. There is no positive and negative terminal for the motor. You just need the two wires from the each motor. Okay, so this is very basic part and very important part. You should have the motor chassis and four motor, and each motor having the two pins. Okay, so how this pins looks like, I will show you. So here you can see each motor having the two pins. Here also like this motor also, these two motors are also having the two pins, and from the each two pins I have connected two wires. You can see two wires come from here, two wires come from here. So each motor having two wires here. Again this two motor having two wires. So totally I have pair of four. So totally I have 8 wire for the 4 motor. Okay, so each motor having a 2 wires. So now quickly I will connect the chassis and bring this wire up. Okay, once you have the 4 pins, like 8 pin up for your 4 motors, you can see all my from my chassis there are 8 pins are coming. Now we have to find out the direction of this motor. So like you can see there are 4 motors, and these 2 motors are for the left side, these 2 motors are for the right side. So when I give the supply, then these 2 motors should be rotated forward also, and these 2 motor should rotate forward. So direction should be same for the each motor. So how to find the direction, that we will see now. Okay, for the external power supply, you can see I use the power bank, which rating is, you can see here, 5 volt 2 ampere, 5 volt 2 ampere, 5 volt 1 ampere, 5 volt 2 ampere rating. The 2 USB we will use for our project. So ultimately you can use your this power bank, which is used for to charge the mobile. Same power, from the same power bank we will provide the power to our Arduino and all the hardware. Okay, to give the power, very important part, you should have the USB cable, and one side of USB cable you can cut directly here. Once you cut, you will find the 4 pins. From that 4 pins you will find the 2 pin, red and black. So red means for 5 volt supply, and black means ground. Other 2 pin you can ignore. Okay, so only these 2 pins we need. It is very simple. You can take any USB pin from your mobile, like this mobile charger cable. So you can cut from here. Once you cut from here, then you will get this 4 wires. Then you have to take only negative and positive wires only. Other wire you can ignore. So this is one point you have to do. Now what you have to do, from your power bank you can connect this wire. Okay, from the power bank you can give the, like you can plug this wire here. Okay, okay, once I plug, then I have the power supply at this pin. Okay, 5 volt power supply. Then I will check the direction of the motor. So how to check the direction? Just connect one wire from one motor each. Like let's take this random wire first, this, and then another wire from the same motor. So you can see my direction is reverse, like rotating at reverse direction. So that means when I connect the positive pin for this pin, like from this pin, this is the positive pin and this is the negative pin. So once I connect this negative pin here and positive pin here, then my direction is reverse for this motor. Okay, same, and find out the direction of the motor, second motor. Okay, so this first motor we understood, this is the negative pin, this is the positive pin. Same for this motor, you can connect like this. Another motor having 2 pins, connect like this. So again I find out this is the reverse direction. So ultimately I found out this is the negative pin for the both motor. Okay, so I will connect these 2 pins here. One negative pin for the first motor and another negative pin from the second motor. Okay, so connect that 2 pin here. Then positive pin for this motor and positive pin for this motor connect here. So ultimately what I did, I have sorted the 2 pins. Again I will give the power supply to check whether once I give positive negative, then both motors should rotate in the same direction. So just connect power supply. Okay, now I can see my both motor rotating in the same direction. So this is the first step you have to do to find out the direction of the motor. With the same step you can find out the direction of the these two motor. Okay, so again I will take the random 2 pin from this motor. So now we need the direction negative, like this side direction we require. Okay, so motor should be rotated in anti-clockwise direction. So again from the power supply I will take random 2 pin and connect here. Okay, now I can see my motor is rotating anti-clockwise direction. For the same another motor I will again check the direction. So this is also anti-clockwise. Okay, so ultimately I found out these 2 pin are the negative pin. I will short it again here. And these 2 pins for these 2 motors. Okay, now initially we have the 8 pin, now we have the 4 pin only. Okay, this 2 pin from this 2 motor, this 4 motor, this 2 pin from this 4 motor. Okay, these 2 motors. Okay, so ultimately we have the 4 pin now. Now this 4 pin should be connected to our L293D motor driver IC. Okay, now first see the L293D motor driver L2938 motor driver IC connection. So each L2938 motor driver IC having all these pins. So very important pins are this one. You can see here you should have the jumper. If you don't have the jumper, then your external power supply will not work. So you should have the jumper here. So verify here all the 3 jumpers should be there. Okay, then you can see these 2 pins are nothing but the motor. So these 2 pins are nothing but the motor output pin. So whatever the motor output, like from this side we have the 2 pins, the 2 pins we will connect here, and this side we have that 2 pins, then that 2 pins we will connect here. Okay, so like you can see this, like these 2 pins are here and these 2 pins are here. Okay, then at this side you can see there are middle one are the ground pin for this motor driver IC. This is the 5V supply which is coming from the Arduino, and this is the 12V supply which is coming from our power supply, like this power bank. Okay, then there are 4 pins. So these 4 pins are nothing but the input pins. So how this input pin work, like let's say this pin and first pin and second pin are connected to these pins. Okay, so this first pin are connected here, second pin are connected here. So whenever we give the 5V like Arduino output, that is the 5V on this pin, then here the 12V output is generated. Whatever the supply you will give here, that supply generated here 12V. And second pin if you give the ground, then ground supply generated here. Same for this pin. So if you give the one here, then this pin get the 12V. If you give the ground, then this pin will give the ground. Then motor will rotate in clockwise direction. So in the anti-clockwise direction you have to reverse the pin. Like on the first pin you can give the 0, second pin you can give the 1. So then here it will generate the 12V and here it will generate the 0. Then motor will be rotated in anti-clockwise direction. So like this is the basic idea. I hope you understand the basic idea of L293D motor driver IC. Let's connect quickly. Okay, I will place power supply here. Okay, so first connect this pin to this side. Okay, first one pin of motor driver IC, this side, first one pin. Okay, okay, now connect this second pin to the second pin of this motor driver here. Okay, for the same, now check the power supply again. You can directly give one positive, one negative pin here. So at any side you can give positive, negative pin, there is no issue. Let's say this is the positive pin and this is the negative pin. Then my two motors should be rotated. So this one you can verify. You can see my motor is rotating. Okay, you can give the positive, negative pin and just check which direction your motor is rotating. Your two motor should be rotated in the same direction. Okay, now I can see my motor rotating in the same direction, that is the clockwise direction. Okay, so this is done. So here I connected the positive pin, here I connected the negative pin. Just focus on that one. So on positive side, this pin, so this pin we have connected positive, this pin we have connected negative. That is very important, we require later. So again connect the random two pins here, this side. And second pin this side. Motor output 1 we give positive supply, 2 we have given the negative supply. Same for motor output 3 we will give the positive, motor output 4 we will give the negative. So 3 we will give the positive, because 1 we given the positive, so less number we give the positive again. So motor should be rotating in clockwise direction again, that side motor. Okay, yeah, perfect. So it is rotating clockwise direction. So if your motor is rotating anti-clockwise direction, just swap these two pins. Okay, 4 motors should be rotated in same direction. Now this is a very important step you have to do. Okay, now next circuit is this one. This is a very basic circuit, you can use the breadboard also. This is common VCC, common points are there, common VCC and common ground. That's it. Whenever we require 5 volt we will take from here, whenever we require ground we will take from here. So this is a very basic circuit, you can use the breadboard also, there is no issue if you don't have the 0 PCB. Okay, so I will connect this small circuit here. So whenever I need the positive pin I will take from here, whenever I need negative pin I will take from here. So this is the common VCC and common ground. Okay, then next part is Arduino. So Arduino we can place here. Okay, so Arduino we can place here, and now we can do the Arduino connection. So very simple, and first connection is take the 5 volt supply. So 5 volt supply from the Arduino. So this is the 5 volt pin from the Arduino. You can easily find out on the Arduino 5 volt. Take to the common 5 volt. Okay. Then negative supply from the Arduino, that is ground, take to common ground. Okay, so this is the basic step you have to do. So positive pin is here, negative pin is here. Now L29 3D motor driver IC having one 5 volt supply. So take the positive pin from here from common pin and connect that common pin to the 5 volt supply here. Okay, so this is the 5 volt supply. I will connect just here. Take the negative pin from this common supply, that is ground pin. Connect that ground pin to the common ground. Okay, that common ground is ground for this L2938 IC, that is the middle one pin. Okay, this is the very basic part you have to do. Okay, on the this motor driver IC at the back side here you will find the pin number. So just connect the input 4, that is IN4 number pin, to the, that is IN4 number pin. This is the IN4 number pin. IN4 number pin should be connected to Arduino 4 number. Then IN5 IN3 number should be connected to Arduino 5 number. Then IN2 should be connected to Arduino 6 number. Then IN1 should be connected to 7 number. Okay, I again repeat, at the back end here you will find the IN4, IN3, IN2, IN1. okay, IN4 should be connected to 4 number pin of Arduino. IN3 should be connected to 5 number. IN2 should be connected to 6 number, and IN1 should be connected to 7 number. Okay, so this is very basic step. Okay, now next part is this USB cable power supply. So USB cable positive voltage, that is red pin, should be connected to motor driver 12 volt supply. Okay, red pin should be connected to motor driver 12 volt supply. And this ground pin should be connected to again middle one pin. So middle one, there is already ground from the Arduino. Just plug out there and take the common ground. So there should be 2 ground pin, one from the power supply and one from the Arduino. Okay, so this is another step you have to do. Now once you connect all the pins from the Arduino and power supply 122938 IC, next is we have to check whether all the motors are rotating in the same direction or not. For that there is a one program, motor direction program. That program also I will provide. Please upload that program into your Arduino. Okay, how to upload? Just plug this pin to your laptop and click on upload button. It will upload the program. Then after that you have to plug this pin of Arduino to your power supply. Once you upload the program, then connect this to the power supply. Okay, so this will give the power to the Arduino. Now next power supply is this pin which is coming from our L2938 12 volt supply. Okay, so this pin also you can connect to the our power supply. Once you connect to the power supply, then this motor should be rotated in clockwise direction first, that is forward. Then all the motors should be rotated in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, then one motor should be rotated clockwise, other side motor rotate should be anti-clockwise, then this motor should be rotated clockwise and this anti-clockwise. So likewise this should be our target. Okay, so with that one what we have to achieve, so basically we have to check whether all the motors should be rotating same direction or not. Okay, so to rotate this bot in the forward direction, then all these motors should be rotated in forward direction. To rotate this motor bot in reverse direction, then all these motors, 4 motors, should be rotated in reverse direction. Okay, and then to turn this to the right side, then this side motor should be rotated in anti-clockwise and this side motor should be rotating clockwise. to turn this to the left side, then this side motor should be rotating clockwise and this side should be anti-clockwise. So this is our target, initial target. Okay, so once you upload the program, just check power supply, give here. Okay, this connect, and second power supply you can connect to the power supply. Now after you give power supply, you can see this should be your direction. First forward, then right side movement, then left side movement, and then backward. First forward, then right side movement. So once you connect motors and motor driver IC to Arduino, now the next connection is we have to connect the Bluetooth with the Arduino. Bluetooth connection is very simple. This is HC05 Bluetooth. So you just need to connect 4 pins: VCC, ground, TXD and RXD. So first take the VCC pin from the Bluetooth. Okay, so this is my VCC pin from the Bluetooth. So first connect to the common VCC that we already taken. So common VCC, then take the ground pin from the Bluetooth, connect to the common ground. Okay, now once you connect the VCC ground to the once you connect VCC ground from the Bluetooth to common VCC and common ground, now the next step is we have to connect the TXD and RXD pin. So connect the TXD pin from the Bluetooth. TXD pin from the Bluetooth should be connected to 2 number pin of Arduino, and RXD pin from the Bluetooth should be connected to 3 number pin of Arduino. So this is only 4 pins connection that we need. Okay, that's it, only the connection that we have to follow. Then after that you have to give the power supply to the Arduino. You have to load the code to the Arduino. So you can use the Arduino cable that already taken. You can see this is my Arduino cable. It is coming from here. This is Arduino cable. Connect to laptop and load the program into the Arduino. So I hope you understand the code hardware connection of the Arduino and the Bluetooth. Now we will see the programming part and mobile application setting. Okay, now let's see the mobile application setting. So first you should go to the Play Store. Then after that you can click you can search here Bluetooth electronics mobile application. Then after that you can download this mobile application, Bluetooth electronics. Then open that mobile application. Then after that, once you open the mobile application, you can see many default panel, but we have to create our new panel here. So just click on any random panel which is empty panel, and then click on edit button. Then after that you can select the buttons, and inside that buttons you can select the any button that you want. Let's say these 4 buttons I want. Okay, and 5th button for the stop. Okay, then after that click on any one button. Let's say forward button, that is red color, this one, forward, and then click on here edit, and then after that you can give the name here capital F for the forward. Then release text should be null, there should not be any release text here. Okay, so it should be empty. Then click on OK. Then after that right side button, you can click on right side button and then again edit, then give your name capital R. Then next is empty, because our release text should be empty, so click on OK. Then backward button, click on edit again, give your name capital B, next empty. Okay, B, and then next is empty, and then click on OK. And then left hand side capital R, capital L, and empty, so L and empty, and click on OK. And then this button is stop button, give the name here S, capital S, next is empty. Okay, S and release text should be empty. So every button there should be only the plain text, the release text should be empty. Okay, so for forward we give F, capital F, right we give capital R, backward we given capital B, and left we have given the capital L, and for the stop we have given the capital S. Okay, then after that if you want to give the name on this, for this button, you can go to the text here and just drop here text and then edit, and here you can give the forward. Okay, then color, if you want any color you can choose from here, click on OK. So like this you should create your panel like this. I have created my panel, so you should follow the same step. Just give the name for each and every button and easily you can see this panel. Okay, so this is the basic setting that you have to do. Now we will see the program part, and then we will see how to connect this application with our robot. Okay, now let's see the program part of this project. So very important point is you should download this code Bluetooth-Controlled Robot from my website link. The website link is in the description. Once you download this folder, you will find the code inside that folder. Okay, this is the code. Then after that you should open your Arduino software. Any Arduino software you can use, there is no issue. Okay, then after that go to the file, go to the open, then go to that project and then open this file. Then you can see program open. Now I will explain importance of each and every line from the. So first line is software serial.h. So basically we need the software serial file for our Bluetooth application. That's why we included this library. And then we have connected Bluetooth to 2 number and 3 number pin. 2 number pin is TRX of Arduino. 3 number pin is TX of Arduino. So that's why we connected Bluetooth RX to 3 number pin. That should be cross connection. And Bluetooth TX to 2 number pin, that should be cross connection. Okay, then after that motor IN4 pin should be connected to 4 number, then 3 number pin of motor should be 5, then IN2 to 6 and IN1 to the 7. So that is our connection. Then we have given the baud rate 9600 for our Bluetooth and 9600 for our Arduino. Then whatever pin we are using, that should be output pin. So that is defining here as output pin. Then initially if there is no button pressed, then our robot should be stopped. That's why we have given the stop signal to the robot by using these 4 lines. Then after that here we are checking whether there is something on the Bluetooth or not. So if there is data on the Bluetooth, then we are reading the data by using this line, and the data will be stored into this variable, and that data will be printed on the serial terminal. If the data is F, that is the forward, then we have to move the robot to the forward direction by this 4 line. Then if you want to move the robot to the backward direction, then if the data is coming B, then this line will be used. If the data is L, that is the left hand side, then then robot will move to the left hand side. And if the data is right, that is the R. If the data is R, then our robot will be moved to the right side by using this 4 line. Then if the data is S, that is stop button press, then you have to stop the robot by using this 4 line. So this is a very simple and easy code. I hope you understand the code. Now we will see how to run our project. Okay, now we will see how to run our project. So there are 2 pins actually for the power supply. One pin is given to this, one pin is for our motor and second pin for our Arduino. Okay, so first we have to download the code into Arduino. So how to download the code? First connect the Arduino pin, which is this one. Okay, this one pin to the laptop. Okay, so first connect this pin to the laptop. Okay, so first connect Arduino pin to the laptop that I shown you. Okay, so Arduino USB to the laptop. Then once you connect the pin, it should, your Bluetooth should blink. Then there should be the power on the Arduino. Okay, I can show you. So you can see once I connect the Arduino pin to the laptop, it is connected here. You can see my Bluetooth will start blinking and there is power to the Arduino. Okay, then you should go to the tools. Here select Arduino Uno from AVI board, Arduino Uno. Then COM port should be your Arduino COM. Okay, then click on upload button, this one. Okay, once you click on upload button, then go to this serial terminal. Then here you should select the baud rate 9600. Okay, now after that you can open your mobile application. Then go to that panel that you have created. So I have created this panel, just go to that one. Then here you can see the connect button, just click on this connect button. Then before that one you should before that one you should go to your Bluetooth setting from your mobile, and here you will not find the, in the Bluetooth setting you can see in the available devices there should be the HC05 name should be there. Okay, so in the available devices HC05, just click on that one. Then after that you can give the password as 1234. If 1234 not work, then you can give 0000. Then click on OK. Okay, so it will come as a connected pair device. Okay, so it will come here. Then after that what you have to do, just go to your mobile application. Then in mobile application you can see the connect button. Just click on that connect, then Bluetooth Classic, then click on next, and here in the pair list you can see HC05. So click on that one, click on connect. Okay, if it's connected there is no any error. Okay, then click on done. If there is an error it will show no connection happen. Okay, click on done button. So here you can see connected to HC05 is showing. Now you can go to the panel, then click on run button. Then after that once you press the forward, then on the then Arduino serial terminal it should show the F, then right it should show the right, then left L, backward B, and stop, S for stop. So this basic testing you should do before giving the power supply to the motor. Okay, so you can see my mobile application is correctly working. Now after that what you can do, you can give the power supply to the motor by using our mobile power bank. Okay, now you can see once you upload the code into Arduino, now our last step is you should give the power supply to the motor and to the Arduino by using our mobile power bank. Okay, so first connect our Arduino pin to the mobile power bank, then our motor pin to the mobile power bank. Okay, so after that you can open your mobile application, and then again go to the connect button and again connect your Bluetooth. HC05 name should be there, then click on connect. It should immediately connect there. If it not connect one time, again you can try, there is no issue. You can try 2 times also. Sometime it will not connect with the first time. Okay, now it is connected. Click on done button. You can click on panel, click on run, and then you can see our project start working. Okay, so I hope you got the idea. You can see our project start working perfectly. Forward, reverse, left, right, and then stop. So I hope you got the idea about the project, how to do the Bluetooth controlled robot by using Arduino. So if you like my content, please click on like button. Please subscribe my channel. Please support me. Thanks for watching this video.